Okay, let's harvest some of these green beans today. That one. Ooh, look at these here. Look at those. Right. And to harvest those. Look at those green beans. They look nice. Look at that long green bean. Look at that green bean. Look at my green beans. Still harvesting the green beans. Look at those green beans. Let me get in here and hanging there all bunched See together. If I can finish harvesting some more of these green beans in here. I see a lot of them still blooming. More to come. More to come. More green beans growing in Big Mama's garden. Let me get busy harvesting these green beans. Okay, here's my first harvest this spring of my green beans. Got a nice bunch of them this first time around. Have a lot of ones still blooming. A lot more to come. In my green bean patch here. A lot more to come. Green beans in Big Mama's garden. Okay, it's harvest time again on the green beans. You see all those green beans coming up? Look at that. Look at that. Look at those green beans. They grow back so fast. Look at these. Okay. Got a lot of blooms still on here too. They keep coming back. I harvest them and they keep growing back. That's a nice size. Let me get my scissors. Look at that one. That's beautiful. Okay. I'm gonna go and harvest this bed of green beans and get back with you. Look at that. Look at that. They're all under here, growing big. Okay, let me harvest these green beans. To show you this bunch of green beans. I raised up the leaves and they were all underneath here. Growing big. Look at this. And a lot of them. Look. I'm gonna get a lot out of this harvest. Look over here. Look at this one. That looks nice. Okay, let me get busy harvesting. Okay, this is my second harvest of my green beans this spring. They looking good. Okay, green beans, grow me some more. Look, I still have some little ones I left. They're still growing. I'll come back and get y'all later. Thanks for stopping by. If you hadn't hit that subscribe to like button, do it now so you can receive all my latest videos and updates. See you next time at Big Mama's Garden.